Once upon a time, there was a man named Sam who lived in a small village. Sam was very poor and struggled to make ends meet. He worked hard every day as a farmer, but his meager harvest barely covered his family's basic needs. One day, Sam's wife fell sick, and he could not afford to pay for her treatment. Desperate to save her life, Sam decided to sell his only possession, a prized possession he had inherited from his father, a pocket watch. Sam went to the local market to sell his pocket watch, and he found a buyer. The buyer offered him a small sum of money for the watch, but Sam knew he had no other option. As he handed over the watch, tears filled his eyes, and he prayed that his wife would recover. Days passed, and Sam's wife began to recover. Sam was overjoyed, but he was also worried about how he would provide for his family now that he had sold his only possession. Sam was overjoyed, but he was also worried about how he would provide for his family now that he had sold his only possession. One evening, as Sam sat in his small hut, there was a knock on the door. It was the buyer who had purchased his pocket watch. The man told Sam that he had realized how much the watch meant to him and that he wanted to return it. Sam was overwhelmed with gratitude and thanked the man from the bottom of his heart. From that day forward, Sam was filled with hope, and he worked even harder on his farm. He eventually found success, and his family no longer had to worry about going hungry. Sam never forgot the kindness of the man who had returned his pocket watch, and he always made sure to help others in need.